Hello friends, I present to your attention extenders for accessories with side splines of 15 degrees. They are suitable for increasing distance between the attachment points and accessories such as action camera holder, navigation lights holders, and transducer holders. You can connect extenders to each other to create additional structures. There are two similar models in the range of products, 150 and 400 mm long. The design of each consists of a tube and spline joints with handle nuts. The splines of the extender form tilt connections with the splines of accessory, which are fixed in the selected position using handle nuts. The main parts are made of fiberglass-reinforced polyamide. The tube is made of powder-coated anodized aluminum alloy. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I am their creator, inspirer, and active user.